Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. Today I'm having a very large salad, so I'll show you that in a few minutes.
What I eat in a day. This is my salad. I just started on it a few minutes ago, so hopefully I can finish the whole thing. Keep watching.
It's really good.
This is my salad spinner. I didn't buy it off Amazon. I don't know where I picked it up from, but I just love it because it's nice and small. And it's great for, washing my lettuce and everything. I know you see on the side I have some sardines over there. I do eat sardines. I love sardines, so hey. All right. What I eat in a day. This is my salad. I just started on it a few minutes ago, so hopefully I can finish the whole thing. Keep watching. Here's my salad. It's a very large salad, but I love salads, and this salad got a little of everything in it. I got one whole egg. I have one whole avocado. I have some one Roman tomato. I have some sliced up zucchini and mixed vegetables, and some mixed vegetables. I also have some roasted chicken breasts in my salad. So let me finish eating this. I have some Caesar salad dressing on here. I think it's about 3 tablespoons of Caesar dressing on this salad. I just added 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my salad because it was getting a little dry, but it tastes much better now with the olive oil added. I used 2 cups of mixed salad greens.
I forgot to mention that I had 1/4 cup of radish.
I also had 1 thin piece of onion, a very thin piece of onion.
Well, it took me about 40 minutes to eat. I started about 3:30, and I just finished. So that was a lot of food, but it tastes really good. I love salads, so I enjoyed it. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching.